Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into gadgets and accessories to see if they're actually worth your money. In today's episode, we're checking out the replacement voice remote control designed to work with Fire Smart TVs. Including the Fire Stick 2nd and 3rd Gen, Fire Stick 4K, 4K Max, Stick Lite, and even the Fire TV Cube in certain smart TVs from Insignia, Toshiba, Hisense, and TCL. This remote comes from a brand called Hazieoo. While it's not an official Amazon product, it's built to closely replicate the original Fire TV remote, both in design and functionality. It's sleek, lightweight, and comes in a matte black finish with clearly labeled buttons that are easy to navigate. Let's talk compatibility. This remote is a great fit if you own a Fire Stick 2nd or 3rd Gen, the 4K versions, or the Cube. It also works with the 3rd Gen smart TVs running Fire OS. But be careful, it's not compatible with older 1st Gen devices or Fire Edition TVs, so double check your model before ordering. The biggest selling point here is voice control. It's got a built-in microphone, and setup is simple. Just hold the mic button, speak your command, and you're navigating your streaming apps hands-free. Whether you're looking for a specific movie or want to open YouTube or Netflix, it gets the job done with a single press. In our testing, voice recognition was surprisingly accurate for a third-party remote. As long as your internet connection is stable and your Fire device is responsive, it works just as well as the official remotes. Pairing is simple. Just insert the batteries, press and hold the home button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the LED light blinks rapidly, and your Fire TV should recognize it. Give it about 30 to 60 seconds to sync. We had no issues pairing with both the Fire Stick 4K and the Cube. A quick tip, before you pair it, make sure you've removed batteries from any previously paired remotes. Multiple paired remotes can sometimes cause interference during the setup process. So, is this remote worth it? If you've lost your original Fire TV remote or you're dealing with an unresponsive one, this is a budget-friendly replacement that actually works. You get voice search, quick access app buttons, and solid compatibility with newer Fire TV devices. The only downside? It doesn't ship to every location, including India, so international buyers will need to look for alternative sellers or similar products that do ship locally. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more honest reviews. Got a product you want us to test? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.